Hey guys, thought I'd do another Apple Watch video for you guys. It's pretty dark out, but I don't give a crap. Anyway, in this video, I want to show you guys how, or a few, tips and tricks on how to use an Apple Watch. Some tricks you guys may be familiar with, and tips and tricks that I've learned myself in the time I've had this. So yeah, let's get to it. Now, on an Apple Watch, this is a tip I recently learned how to do. And excuse the poor camera filming. I didn't really plan for this that much. This is how you turn up the so you could it turns on with a jerk of your wrist, or with vibrations. If you remove it, it would turn on. Well, you can also use this dial thing here to adjust this. You make it darker, pretty much off to full brightness. It's another way of turning it on. If you want to cycle through the apps, or close certain apps, this is how you do. This button right here you can push, and it brings you up the list of all the apps. Now on the apps, you can basically just do this. Yeah, hit remove. Now here's an option that you can pair with your phone. Different clocks. This was a jellyfish one with the calendar date and time and temperature. You can get different clocks like that one. Come on, you. Yeah. I don't like that one that much. There's also a camera app and a photos app. Oh shoot. Look at my photos app is good if you pair photos through like your iCloud drive. Now, the only apps you can sync over to an Apple Watch are apps that you can pair with the App Store. Like when you're in the App Store, it'll give you options like like Apple Watch or Apple Watch recommended. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain. You have to see it. But there are certain apps that can work on Apple Watch, like some that you have to pair with. You have to pair over through the Apple Watch app because you can't. This thing doesn't have its own app store, so you have to sync it over manually with your iPhone. Now here's a tip for beginners: how to turn off your Apple Watch. Now when I first got this Apple Watch, I didn't know how to turn it off. I thought this was the on-off button myself, but it's the on button. It turns it on. It cycles through the apps. So how do you turn this thing on? Well, it turns on really easily, but how you turn it off? You saw it yourself. You turn it off by smacking your palm against the surface. I'm trying to figure out why that does that. I guess it's because there's an on or off switch mechanism. Like there's some kind of button or some kind of sensitivity underneath the screen that allows you to turn it off by smacking the screen, literally. But I still can't figure it out. One more thing, real fast. How you do certain tasks. This is how you bring down your notifications bar. This is how you bring up your little thing on iOS, on watchOS 4.3 or whatever the version is. It gives you certain options, kind of similar to that of iOS 11 on iPhone. For all of your iPhone users who do use iPhones like me. Yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's how you use those are some tips and tricks on how to use your Apple Watch in 2018. Now, if you guys want any more how-tos, or you want to stay tuned for more videos on Apple Watch or other technological videos, then please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned every week for my channel. Don't forget to hit that notifications bar, and you will see videos every single week, if not every single day, whenever I get a chance. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to peace out.